Hey y'all, it's Beth again. So, week 6. This is the week where I would like you to do the bulk of your research for your research paper. You've already chosen a topic, you have a direction in which you think you're going to be going. You may change your mind as you do research. You've gotten comments from your classmates and from me. You have an idea of what your problems might be. And you've started to do the research. This week is the week in which I want you to get a good solid 5 to 7 sources. If you can't find that many, get in touch with me. There might be a reason for it. If you've got too many, get in touch with me. You might need that number. 5 to 7 is what I think you'll kind of need, but let me know. Let me know. Your topic might differ. Anyway, this is the week. We only have one assignment this week. If you'll look under activities, the only assignment is due on Sunday, and it's your works cited draft. Don't have anything on Wednesday or Friday this week, so I would use your time wisely. I would do your research. I would start writing too. But this is the time to get the format correct too. We're using MLA Edition 8. It changed in March of 2016. Everybody's using Edition 8 now. If you haven't had a writing course in a number of years, especially since before 2016, you may not be familiar with this edition. But the library is all of the resources that I have put here for you are. And you'll notice I have citations and documentation guide. I'd like you to look at these and see what do you cite, what do you not cite, how do you cite. Many of your sources will be electronic sources. I'm also talking about in-text documentation. You won't need that this week, but you will know it later. And then examples of what a works cited page will look like. This is the week in which I would like you to get your works cited page all set so that you don't have to worry about it anymore. So it is all set. I can look at it, you can look at it, and it will be fine. Let me know if you need any help.